Alright guys, next up we got Jamison here. He's going to do a couple boxes of 17-18 UEFA Champions League Chrome Soccer. Good luck. Get one auto per box out of this stuff. Only base she wants Mbappe, got it. You want inserts? Whereas refractor. I'll pull inserts and refractors for you too. Alright, a Kayla McGregor. That's number to 250. Okay. Conte. Pogba, refractor. Dembele, Gareth Bale. Andres Iniesta, refractor. Okay, refractor. Going Chad. Sergio Aguero, inserts. Martial, Future Stars, inserts. Gelson Martins. That is numbered to 99. Sporting. Autograph there. Base. Griezmann. There's Mr. Mbappe. Jesus. Future Stars. Manuel Neuer. Refractor. Firmino. Blue refractor, number to 150. And last pack in box one. We got some gold. And it is Rio Patricio. And it's to 50. Alright, ended strong. Got the Mbappe base. Okay. And number 2. Firmino, refractor. Neymar, inserts. James Rodriguez, Future Stars. And it must be a Kayla McGregor sort of day. He looks. Oh, look! It looks like Doncic signed that. Lulu. Pereira, refractor. Definitely looks like Lulu, doesn't it? Cristiano Ronaldo. Insert. De Bruyne, Future Stars. Martial, refractor. Kevin De Bruyne, That's the gold refractor to 50. Lightning Strike. And another gold. Jonas. Benfica to 50. Trippier refractor. Thomas Muller. Alexander Arnold refractor. Suarez, the biter. David Luiz refractor. 2 packs left. There's a second Mbappe. Morata, the 250 purple, and our last pack. Is a Christian Pulisic. Future Stars. Very nice. Alright, man. I appreciate it. Now get all this stuff packed up, shipped out. ASAP.